Hello everyone. Today's question of the day is based upon mixture and alligation, which is another very important topic in arithmetic. Today's question is solely based upon mixtures. So the question is, there are two containers with mixture of milk and water. In container 1, milk and water were in ratio 3:2, and in container 2, milk and water were in ratio 2:3. How many liters of mixture must be taken from container 1 and mixed with container 2 in order to make a 20-liter mixture having milk and water in ratio 9:11? So we have container 1 over here, we have container 2 over here. In both we have milk and water in some ratio. Here also we have milk and water in some ratio. Here it is 3:2. In the second one it is in 2:3. So from container 1 we have to put some mixture into container 2, so that ultimately we should get a 20-liter mixture in which milk and water must be in ratio 9:11. So the total mixture should be 20 liters. Milk and water must be in ratio 9:11. So I can say that milk should be 9 liters and water should be 11 liters. So one thing that we can say is, if I mix milk from container 1 and container 2, I must get 9 liters of milk. Now since we do not know the exact quantity of this mixture in container 1 and 2, let me assume that we have x liter of mixture in container 1 and y liter of mixture in container 2. So if I deal with milk only at first, the total milk that I should get in the end should be 9 liters. So it should be 9 liters. So this 9-liter milk should be the sum of milk taken from container 1 and container 2. So in container 1, milk corresponds to ratio 3. So it will be 3x by the total ratio, which is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So milk in container 1, it will be 3x by 5. Then this is put into container 2. So milk in container 2 will be 2y by 5, because milk in container 2 corresponds to ratio 2, and if I find out the proportion of milk, it is 2y by 5. So 2y by 5, this is the total milk that we'll get at last, and this total should be equal to 9 liters. So this is one equation that we get. Similarly, now if I talk about water over here, total water should be 11 liters at last. It is given over here. So water from container 1 would be 2x by 5. So 2x by 5 will be water, and water in container 2 will be 3y by 5. I hope this is understood. So 3y by 5, this should be 11 at last. So this is equation number 2. Now we have two equations in x and y. Let us find out the value of x, and since we were pouring this whole container of x liters into container 2, so x will be our answer. Let us calculate the value of x. So we can rewrite the first equation as 3x plus 2y equal to 45. Second equation can be written as 2x plus 3y equal to 55. Now since we are trying to calculate x, so we'll eliminate the variable y. How to eliminate y? We'll multiply equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 2, and then from equation 1 we can subtract equation 2. So we'll be getting 5x equal to, in the RHS we'll get 135 minus 110, which gives us 25. So x is equal to 5. So 5 liters will be the answer. Since we were not given the quantity of mixture in container 1 and 2, so I assumed them to be x and y. I poured the whole container 1 into container 2 so that the calculation becomes easy. So the whole quantity of container 1 that was put into container 2, that will be our answer, that is x. X is equal to 5. I hope this is understood. If there is any doubt, please comment. Thank you for listening.